Do you intend to invest in India in the future? Elon, short, how fast can we get to India? We don't want to make a hasty announcement, but I believe it's possible that we will make a sizable investment and have a connection with India in the future, which is huge news. How was your meeting with the Prime Minister? I have to leave, guys. Thank you for being your minister. It was a great, good conversation. How soon will we see you in India next year? I've never changed my mind. I'm looking forward to that. Thank you. In the world of Tesla, where innovation knows no bounds. In today's thrilling episode of Tesla Stock News, secrets, revelations, struggles, and victories all come together to form a storm. Will Tesla take over the huge Indian market with a flurry of investments? And what amazing surprises does the company have in store for us? What is hidden underneath Elon Musk's salary package? Hold on to your seats as we work through the mysteries and negotiate the many curves in Tesla's future. Hold on tight, because we're going to go deeply into Tesla's universe, where every choice and action could drastically alter the automobile industry. Today, we'll examine Elon Musk's possible pay, explore the Indian market, and learn about the satyr's remarkable qualities based by market capitalization, significant events leading to thrilling revelations. Hit the like button because everything is okay on Tesla Stock News. Let's ignite the trip by subscribing. Welcome back to Tesla Stock News, and let's get started. In response to a post, Elon Musk indicated that he was interested in showing that people could have an impact on Tesla's future. One commenter suggested that given his current compensation package, Elon should be more involved at Tesla. This led to a conversation about Elon Musk's pay history, pointing out that he is not obligated to the business as an indentured servant. There is currently no incentive scheme in place that is different from what previous Tesla CEOs would get. The conversation made clear that giving Elon important objectives, like raising Tesla's market capitalization to previously unheard of heights, might serve as a driving force. Given that Elon does own a sizable portion of Tesla stock, it was proposed that objectives akin to those in the last pay plan, albeit with greater thresholds, would be suitable. Some claimed that ownership alone is not enough to motivate people, citing Bill Gates's charitable endeavors as an example. Most people agreed that Elon Musk had earned the right to pursue further ventures with greater funding, which might ultimately help Tesla. Increasing his focus on the business would probably benefit Tesla stockholders in the long run. There was little public material to address through a variety of platforms, viewers were urged to interact with Tesla board members. Given the considerable amount of time that had elapsed since the last incentive package was revealed, there was a general consensus that Elon Musk ought to get a fresh one from Tesla. It was noted that the previous incentive plan was based on market capitalization and operational milestones, both of which Tesla had. Significantly met. It was proposed that a new incentive plan be related to an aspirational market capitalization. An alternative strategy would be to set milestones in increments of $1 trillion for Tesla's market cap while taking into account different factors like Optimus robot taxis. Milestones should be thought of as reflecting Elon's belief in Tesla's potential for exponential growth and a potential compensation package. It is anticipated that Tesla's market cap could soar past $4 trillion. Viewers might find it intriguing to consider including a milestone of $4 trillion in such a package. Tesla's energy initiatives and other noteworthy projects. These elements may help generate significant increases in revenue and profits. Without any guaranteed components of remuneration, such as cash bonuses or fixed salaries, the suggested compensation package seeks to provide fully performance-based incentives, equity vesting based only on the passage of time. There may be diverse views on giving Elon Musk a new incentive package, but he would only be compensated when Tesla and its stockholders prospered as a whole. It is important to remember that the majority of his fortune is invested in his own firm's stocks, and he is not renowned for lavishly purchasing opulent items like yachts or mansions. Therefore, it doesn't seem like there would be any major drawbacks for investors to provide him a new remuneration plan at this time. Let's shift our attention to an exciting phase in Tesla's story of global expansion. As we reveal a seismic development, get ready. With its eagerly awaited debut into the thriving Indian market, Tesla is making a huge leap that might completely overhaul the matrix of first automotive management. But I've actually expected much more from this new vehicle, and the director of product development in Premier, Jacob Kleinman, said the project would set a toning precedent for based on the graph. The Vine Tesla is predicted to release investments totaling an astounding $30 billion over the course of the next 5 years. Yes, you heard correctly. As the plot thickens, let's examine this enormous investment picture. An immediate infusion of $3 billion into an Indian manufacturing plant dedicated to creating a brand new compact Tesla model tailored for emerging markets is part of a $30 billion financial commitment that highlights the magnitude of Tesla's ambitions on the Indian subcontinent. This strategic move not only shows Tesla's flexibility, but also its dedication to meeting a wide range of global demands. Additionally, a staggering $10 billion has been committed by partners to strengthen this manufacturing venture. As many stakeholders support the electric revolution, this cooperative effort increases the scope and impact of Tesla's foray into India. Let's now explore Indian mobility's exciting future. A total of $15 billion will be invested in the battery industry ecosystem over the next 5 years as part of Tesla's blueprint. This ambitious investment intends to build a strong battery infrastructure that can power not just Tesla vehicles, but also maybe electrify the entire country. Similar to a well-choreographed symphony, Tesla's initial plan for India entails introducing a small number of models to the Indian luxury market gradually, at a time that will captivate the country's discerning clientele. At the same time, the company is planning the development and rigorous testing of state-of-the-art charging infrastructure, laying the groundwork for a flawless electric driving experience. And there's more. There will be a spectacular finale to this Tesla performance in India. The construction of a cutting-edge manufacturing facility in under 2 years, with the plant expected to be finished in 3 years. Tesla plans to introduce its first compact car designed for Indian roads. Regarding Tesla's factory in India, it is mentioned in a somewhat ambiguous manner, but it seems that parts of the facility will be finished within the first 2 years, allowing car production to begin, and the full facility will be ready within 3 years. This revelation suggests the exciting prospect of this new Tesla vehicle gracing Indian streets in just 5 short years. It is anticipated that the factory, with a high percentage of local content, will primarily concentrate on exporting while serving the Indian market to some extent. When considering Tesla's potential for stock growth, viewers may wonder why the company has a lower institutional ownership percentage than other tech giants. For example, Microsoft, Google, and Meta have significantly higher institutional ownership percentages than Tesla. Concerns regarding Keyman risk, headline risk, valuation risk, and capital reinvestment risk are among the facts Gary Black has suggested. As we dig deeper into his observations, we also find an interesting viewpoint regarding the unification of Elon Musk's numerous ventures under the Tesla corporate umbrella. There are repercussions and controversies associated with this bold approach, which may involve the unification of Tesla SpaceX firm and Neuralink. Gary Black makes a fascinating point. The mistrust that institutional investors frequently feel about conglomerates, and conglomerates have historically been regarded with caution because of the difficulty investors may have understanding and evaluating the various businesses within the conglomerate due to their diverse portfolios. This uncertainty may raise questions regarding efficient management and capital allocation, which could potentially lower the conglomerate's valuation in the case of Tesla. Institutions may reassess the business as a result of this consolidation and give it a lower multiple. Move there. Could cause the stock market to tremble, could result in a drop in Tesla's stock price, which would affect not only shareholders, but also the public's perception of the company's long-term prospects. However, it's important to remember that Tesla is not going into this possible consolidation empty-handed, because it has a sizable cash reserve, which Gary estimates will grow to an astounding $100 billion by 2028. This sizable financial cushion gives Tesla enough resources to handle such a transition and strategically allocate capital across its various ventures. Considering that Tesla's Bitcoin holdings is currently only worth $184 million, or 5 cents per share, it is effectively a negligible player in the overall scheme of things. Now, the idea that Elon Musk may combine all of his businesses under Tesla's corporate roof may not be very credible. Instead, it's more plausible that he is now creating a distinct holding company that would manage several businesses. The strategy appears realistic given that Elon would have more control over the XH holding company than Tesla, so concerns about such a conglomerate raising issues among institutions may not be legitimate. Nevertheless, there may be some worries about excessive cooperation between SpaceX and Tesla, though it's questionable whether these worries are justified given that there were instances of Tesla staff members helping with the initial transition when Elon took over as CEO of SpaceX. Let's switch gears and look at some recent developments. It seems that more SAB Foundation Series all-wheel drive buyers are getting delivery dates and more vents are being sent out. In particular, the Satyr has a 9% better turning radius than an F-150, which may not seem like much, but it can be noticeable in real-world situations. For example, navigating through spaces is much easier with a smaller turning circle. Elon Musk has indicated that more improvements are being developed to significantly shorten the turning radius, albeit these might not be possible with a straightforward software update.